Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. It's Thursday, February 21st. I'm going to go over the market for the day for you. We got a flip of the switch, and we came back and had a lot of positivity in these grain markets. So what happened is overnight, rumors started going on that you're getting some concrete trade ideas being thrown out between the U.S. and China, that they're really making headway on these, that they're really concrete actions, and also that China is willing to buy $30 billion worth of U.S. agricultural products a year to kind of close that gap in between the U.S. and China exports. And they list about 10 commodities they would buy, included corn, beans, and wheat, and that was enough to kind of flip it forward. So soybean market up 9 cents on the day. When you look at the corn market up 4 3/4, wheat complex up to 5 to 9 cents higher. A little bit disappointed in the wheat complex considering how far it slipped, that it really wasn't able to hold those big gains. At one point you had it well over 12 cents higher on the day, just not able to get that kind of secured. But overall, a lot of positivity. Tomorrow we have a data dump of 6 weeks worth of export sales, and that's going to be huge for this market. That's really probably going to dictate where trade goes on the wheat. Corn's about steady, beans up 3, and then the wheat complex really getting smoked anywhere from 17 to 20 cents lower even after this positive day. So a lot of negativity when you look at it this week. When you look over at meat markets, very quiet trade for cattle markets, about 60 cents lower for both feeders and lives. Lean hogs, though, after being down over $6 the last 2 days, you now had them up, limit higher of $3. So really volatile market right now. What you had was probably just that positivity coming around on the cash side of things, and also for the fact that China could be coming in here and buying product, and we need that considering the fact that we are really growing our production. Although you did have that USDA export or outlook forum today say that hog prices could go down to $42.50. That was really interesting to hear, and that's a really ugly number, and we hope that doesn't happen, but those are the realistic expectations if we don't get demand to pick up when you look at this hog market. Outside market's a little bit negative. When you look at crude oil, slightly lower, US dollar slightly higher, but Dow market actually close to steady all day long, and then dropped about 200 points towards the afternoon, just off a little bit of liquidation. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trade in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great day.